How to check Costco Citi Card statements online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Citibank. Then click on the very first website that you see on your search results. Once you're on this web page, on the right hand side, you're going to find the login portal. Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate boxes. Then check this box that says remember user ID if you want that. Uncheck this box if you are using a public computer. After entering all the details, click on the Sign On option to be signed into your account. In case you have forgotten your user ID, you have the link to retrieve your user ID. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Password option. Then enter all the information as prompted in order to reset your password. Once you have been signed into your account, navigate to the section of the website where it says credit cards. Then you will be able to manage your Costco Citi Card. From there, you will be able to view your account activity. Then select the statement period you would like to view. Once you have selected the statement period, you should be able to view your statement online. You will see the details of your transactions, your balance, due dates, and any other relevant information. If you need a physical copy of your statement or want to save it, you also have the option to download or print it directly from the website. If you encounter any issue during this process, you can directly contact the customer support. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.